West Coast gold mining activity drives job growth in Reefton and Greymouth. A surge in gold mining investment on the West Coast is driving job growth and increased economic activity in communities including Reefton, Greymouth, and Westport, as two major mining projects move toward production. Rua Gold is currently spending close to $1 million a month on exploration and development work at the Reefton goldfield. The company is operating 3 drilling rigs and employing consultant geologists, engineers, and more than a dozen staff as it works toward lodging a fast-track consent application for a new underground mine at Ald Creek. Around 20 kilometers away, Endura Mining has begun construction of a $60 million processing facility at its Snowy River mine. The plant is expected to reach first production within the next year, when ore extracted from deep underground will be processed into gold bars. Endura has already invested several $100 million establishing economically viable ore reserves at the site. Together, the two projects are being cited as key drivers of what some locals describe as a mini-boom in the region. The increased activity has contributed to a rise in high-paying jobs, increased demand for contractors and tradespeople, and new residential construction in Greymouth subdivisions. Employment opportunities appear to be one of the most visible benefits for local communities. Endura is currently hiring entry-level miners on salaries of about $90,000 a year and advertising a range of higher-paid roles, including training coordinators and mining operations all-rounders. According to Statistics New Zealand, the mining sector's median annual wage exceeds $125,000, placing it among the highest-paid industries nationwide. Endura currently employs approximately 100 staff and expects that figure to double within the next 12 months as production ramps up. Rua Gold has also indicated that, if its project proceeds, mine operations and ore processing could add hundreds of additional jobs over time. The larger projects sit alongside an existing alluvial gold mining sector that supports about 200 jobs across the district. These smaller, often locally owned operations range from 1- or 2-person businesses to enterprises employing up to 20 workers. Employment in this segment has more than tripled in recent years. The growth in mining activity has been underpinned by a sharp rise in global gold prices. Since the beginning of 2023, the price of gold has increased from under $3,000 an ounce to more than $7,000, improving the economic viability of both large-scale and small-scale mining operations. While some residents point to increased employment and income as clear positives, the long-term impacts of expanded mining activity will continue to be closely watched as projects move through consenting and construction stages. For now, rising investment and wages are reshaping parts of the West Coast economy.